The new patient pavilion is an incredible example of Penn's commitment to patient and family-centered care.
Penn Medicine is seeing things in a different way. That's why patient rooms in Penn Medicine's new patient pavilion were designed for patients by patients.
Executive leadership reached out to our patient advisory group to contribute to the design of this building.
Meet Iris, a large smart TV and interactive care system located at the foot of each patient bed. Iris provides not only access to entertainment and care information, but unprecedented environmental control for the patient and family.
We designed the patient room to give patients control of their environment, because when you come into a hospital, you don't have very much control of anything that's happening in your day. They can control the shades to the outside, their privacy screen, the lights.
So every room will have this control unit, which operates the iris or footwall. And this can control the temperature of the room. How nice is that?
The Iris monitor features multiple view options with a split screen. Patients can watch TV shows or movies or play video games, and also view a digital whiteboard, which gives patients and their families information about their care team and upcoming appointments. They'll also get names and roles of any staff as they enter the room.
And watch the doors. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's wonderful.
Staff and clinicians benefit from Iris features as well. For example, there is a patient information panel located outside each room, and clinicians can project a patient's medical images like CAT scans or MRIs and other information through the 70-inch Iris monitor.
Clinicians are really excited about being able to provide patient education, viewing studies, whatever they would like the patient and family to view. There's also an iPad on the outside of the room with information that the staff need to know before they enter the room.
Penn Medicine is bringing the concept of hospitality to the hospital. Iris gives patients more of what they need during their stay: comfort and control.
This is the kind of room that I would look forward to staying in if I had to come to the hospital.
Penn Medicine is seeing things in a different way. See for yourself at the new Patient Pavilion.